bags on. Okay. What's up, Squishy Squad? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. What's up, Squishy Squad? Today we are back with another video. So today I have like my bag of squishies here. My whole bag of squishies. Let me show you the Shopkins. This weird cheese. They're in a basket. Chocolate. Well, whatever this chocolate is. Chocolate. This cookie. This apple. And I think this is sugar, but sugar. Comment down below what that is, because I don't know what that is. I don't know. But yeah, comment down below what that is. And then they have strawberry and a little basket where the strawberry is going in. Yeah, that's that. So yeah, those are my bag of squishies. I mean, my squishy bag. Wow. Okay, let's get straight onto this video. Okay. What's up, guys? Okay, so what's up, guys? Today we got my bag of squishies. So I have my bag of squishies, and my mom, she has squishies too. It's kind of weird, but she's kind of a little bit in love with squishies. Just like that much. Don't get mad. My mom loves squishies, guys. Okay, so some of her squishies are in this bag, and some of them are the same squishies as mine. So yeah, some of her squishies in here are mine, because she's like, can I put some of my squishies in here? I'm like, yeah, we share a squishy bag. Yeah, let's get straight on. So this is Squishy Collection Part 1. I know I did another squishy collection, but this is a different kind of squishy collection. It's a mom squishy collection. I'm gonna be doing her favorite squishies, because I know her favorite squishies. Okay, let's just reach into their bag. I already know which one is hers. Okay, this one's hers. Okay, so one of her favorite squishies, and guys, the ones that I show, she still has a lot more of her squishies. Like this one, I have the same one. It's the same one. It's super soft of hers. Don't worry, guys. She does not get mad when I squish her squishies. But it's super duper squishy. And it's super soft. And some of her squishies don't have like a cute little... Wow. Okay, some of her squishies don't have the chain. And then, boom, defects. I don't know if it's close or not, because I never recorded like this before. Only like when I don't show my face. Why I have it the other way is because it's super dark in here. There's not a light on the top, only in the hallway. I know, Camden Breakers, that's where I live. Camden Breakers in Corpus Christi. Oh yeah, me and her, we found this, and my mom's like, oh, do you want to get it? And I'm like, yeah, sure. Get that away. Okay, but it's this color changing ball. I have the same one as this. It's always in my videos, but this one, yeah. We got yesterday. Hair used to go in a jungle. But super squishy. It's not like sliding, only in the packaging. How could you get into the fans? Okay, but that's that hard squishy. The next squishy of hers, oh, yeah. She has the same cake. The same cake. She found the slow rising one also, and she went to Michael's because we had to go get some crab. What in the world is going on? I'm like having it in between my teddy's legs. But yeah, it kind of got a little dirty. She found this when we were at the craft store. Well, like at Michael's, because I needed something. I needed some glue, a gallon of glue, and something else. I forgot. I'm like laying down right now. I'm super lazy. I woke up super early because the cable people came. So, oh, and yes, the squishy. Her squishies kind of have the defects, just like mine. And we're gonna go to get more. Get next of her squishies. Oh, that's my squishy. Oh yeah, this is hers. Okay, so this is hers. Same defects because we left it in my dad's car. So it got like the same defects and it was super weird. But this one does have a chain. This one does have a chain. Here's the front. There was chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And I got the strawberry one, if you can see. Oh my god, my hair. I don't know if you saw that, but oh my, why is this dangling down? I don't know if it just fell down, but you can see that it's super squishy, slow rising too, but it just has lots of defects. Hope I found this squishy. Oh yes, I always tell y'all that my friend got me this, and she went to the store and she found one of hers, and she's like, do you want one? And I'm like, no, I already have one. And she's like, oh, I forgot. But it's super duper squishy. Oh, it's like a little squeeze toy. Yeah, that's that squishy. It just flopped out of my hand. Like I said, she has her own little squishies. And this is her last favorite squishy. It's this macaron. Super squishy. This one's not defected anywhere on this. It's not defected anywhere on this thing at all. Like nothing. 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 Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, but this is super duper squeeze toy. Really squishy. That's her last of hers. Those are mine. Just kidding, guys. My mom does not like squishies. She only likes slime. Can you shut up? Okay, so all of these squishies are mine. This donut is mine. This ball. I was lying all about the secret stuff. That's mine. This ball is mine. This pink macaron is mine. This pink donut is mine. This. Oh, and yes, this does have defects right there. That, this, and that. That's all mine.